My name is John Houghton, Apprenticeship Manager for Everton Community and Everton Football Club. In terms of the business, the community side to Everton, it's something that really we're passionate about. Everton are embedded in our community as a football club. We take our commitment to our community very seriously, and as a consequence, Everton Community, which is currently the outstanding sporting charity in Europe, 2015, which we're very proud of, we incorporate up to 50 projects across our community in a whole variety of different ways. It could be to do with education, it could be to do with supporting learners on sports projects, but we continue to do that, and we will continue to do that more moving forward as well in terms of working closely with our community. We've got a whole range of apprentices. We've had about 45 working through the club in the past 4 or 5 years, and obviously now at Riverside College, which is great, but we've got many working in administrative roles, in sports roles, across a whole host of projects within the club, within Everton Football Club. So working with our corporate departments, working with our fan services departments, working with our Everton for Employment departments, and working with IT for instance. But we've also got a lot of football and sports coaches who work on our multi-skilled sport programmes, working through Everton Community as well. Apprenticeships or apprentices enhance our business because they are good for our business. They're a great way of us growing the business organically, bringing in youngsters at an early age, getting embedded with the culture and the skills within the club, and growing into permanent staff and great employees. So we see it as well as creating opportunities for the young people, which is fab. It's all about adding value for the club as well, and that's something that we're going to continue over time. In terms of the support our apprentices get at Everton, that is one advantage we have. First things first, we can attract, fortunately, some really good young candidates. So we're able to pick some good candidates at the outset. We're also able to attract some really good tutors and assessors and employees as well to work and give those youngsters as much support as possible. As mentioned earlier, we have many good projects and we have many support mechanisms within the club that enable the youngsters to go on a variety of different experiences, to experience different types of projects with different demographics of people, and we take our commitment to our youngsters and the support they get really seriously. But it's an enriching environment at the football club and within the community, and that's something that few other organisations can match, I believe. The opportunities, experiences and bonuses of working with Everton, again, are plentiful. We're a very big brand, and with that comes a lot of benefits to ourselves and our staff, but also more importantly, it gives us access to our community, many stakeholders and employers who gravitate naturally towards the football club, and that gives us a chance to add value in the community because they want to work with us. And I think if people want to work with you, that's half the battle in terms of what we do, and we enjoy the benefits of that. Our experience at Riverside College and our feelings on how they can support us is really straightforward. When we chose and when we contacted Riverside in terms of working with us, that's for a couple of reasons really. They're a really good, well-respected college in terms of grade 2 Ofsted rated, so their reputation fitted in with what we believe is our similarly good reputation, and we wanted that to marry up with the provider of choice. Riverside College has a great record in terms of sports curriculum, which obviously lends itself to working with Everton and the type of provision we have. And they're interested in quality. The college is very interested in the quality of the provision as opposed to the quantity. So we're very much of that mentality. We are interested in supporting our youngsters with quality provision, not necessarily in terms of the number of apprentices that we have through our programme. We're interested in giving the quality, the emphasis, not the numbers, if you like.